तदंश्वंशौ वरणीयो ज्योतिष्कुम्भस्य धीमहि कृतं भव्यं हि भावय ॐ गायत्र्यै दिव्यै नमः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Seemandra Zone C, respected principals and dedicated docents, I, M. Srinivasulu, on behalf of the principal of the house school, teachers and staff, I cordially extend a warm welcome to all of you on this auspicious occasion of welcoming ceremony on the maiden visit of our Honorable Regional Officer, Sri K. Parthipan Garu, for his bright endeavors further, being a stalwart of DAV institutions. The happy smiles behind masks here, the pleasant breeze and lingering fragrance compete themselves in establishing a genuinely magnanimous moments and a profound ambience here to add color to this welcoming ceremony. Today is remained as a wonderful memorabilia in the history of the school in giving the most courteous welcome to an industry's icon and an adorned jewel in the field of administration, who always believe when educating the minds of our youth, we must not forget to educate their hearts. We immensely enthralled to extend humongous welcome to an icon in the field of administration and an immense source of inspiration, the highly esteemed regional officer of DAV institutions, Seemandra Zone C, Sri K. Parthipan Garu, onto the dais in the midst of our thunderous applause, please. I request Mr. Jairam Reddy sir and Mrs. Shobha Rani madam to escort sir onto the dais. Sir, please, sir. You thunderous applause, all of you, till sir is here. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I humbly request our esteemed regional officer, sir, Sri K. Parthipan Garu, present a floral bouquet to our honorable regional officer, Sri K. Parthipan Garu, and welcome sir delightfully.
Sir, Adi sir, sir. Ready, sir?
One Aziz, fast, no time.
Cordially extend our genial welcome to an aficionado in administration, Honorable Principal of the school, Sri J. Prasad Garu, onto the dais. Now I request Mr. N. Mohan Reddy sir and Mrs. Pravina Devi madam to escort sir onto the dais. I humbly request Sri J. Prasad Garu to occupy his seat on the dais. Now I request Mr. K. Shamsundar sir to present a floral bouquet to the host principal Sri J. Prasad Garu and welcome sir.
Sir, Sam sir. Sir, okay sir, ready?
Thank you sir. I extend a blissful welcome to an ambitious guiding spirit, respected principal of DAV Model School, Juari Cements, Sri Raghuram sir, onto the dais. I request Mr. G. Prakash Rao sir and Mrs. S. Hemalata madam to escort sir onto the dais.
Sir.
Now I humbly request Sri Raghuram Garu to please occupy his seat. I request Mrs. E. Vijayalakshmi madam to present a floral bouquet to sir and welcome sir.
Madam, upside.
Yes sir.
Madam, upside, madam. Okay, madam.
I extend a pleasant welcome to a visionary gregarian, respected principal of VCAT DAV Model School, Bharati Cements, Sri S. Kishore Garu, onto the dais. I request Mr. Y.K.S. Maheshwara sir and Mrs. E. Bharati madam to escort sir onto the dais. Now I humbly request Sri Kishore Garu to occupy his seat.
Madam, side madam. Okay.
I request Mr. K. Ramurthy sir to present a floral bouquet to Sri Kishore Garu and welcome sir. We thank all the dignitaries and without getting any other delay, let us get into the initial act of lighting the lamp. In our Indian culture, lighting a lamp denotes dispelling away darkness. Light and brightness represent the positive, the good, and the good spirits. Thus, lighting the lamp dispels the darkness of ignorance and showers the brightness of knowledge and wisdom. According to our Vedic culture, the four-sided diya stands
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ हमारे मन मंदिर में, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, ओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ हमारे मन मंदिर में, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, ओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ। कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा, कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा, साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा, साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ, दिव्य ज्योति जलाओ। थैंक यू।
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदै ज्ञान प्रदायिनि ज्योतिर्मयि, गोचर दिशि उद्घोष भई, दिए भी जय जय, दिए भी जय जय। प्रबल प्रवाहमयी ऋतु नूतन, जीवनदायिनि सदा सनातन, वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता, यह धारा अक्षय, दिए भी जय जय, दिए भी जय जय। दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले, हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले, धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय, दिए भी जय जय, दिए भी जय जय। सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहर, प्रेम शांति इसके तट टहर, सदन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय, लिए अटल निश्चय, दिए भी जय जय, दिए भी जय जय, दिए भी जय जय।
I feel really pride and privilege to share a few lines on this auspicious occasion about the hope of a new era, dynamic in his attitude, esteemed regional officer of Seemantra Zone C, Sri K. Parthipan Garu. He is an apple of eye and is a really bright spark in making the actions speak louder than words. He has his humble contribution of 5 acres of land and a school building to the DAV institutions at Himachal Pradesh. This marks his immense dedication and commitment to the noble cause. Being a philanthropist rightly reminds him as a stalwart of DAV institutions, being a visionarian and versatile in his approach. He believes that education is not the filling of a pile, but the lighting of a fire, and finds that every cloud has a silver lining. Bagged the coveted International School Award for his school, instituted by the British Council of India for the year 2018-19. It's the greatest remark and achievement, and that adds other jewel to the crown of his credentials. The vast experience of visiting 16 different foreign countries on educational tours and capacity building enhancement trips help in giving a vast guidance and appropriate guidance to the teachers and the students that will definitely help us to uplift ourselves in professional and even in making our laurels far and wide. Now I feel really enthralled to humbly request the President of the meeting, Sri J. Prasad sir, to proceed further. At first, before that, I would like to request all of you to have a little feast to your eyes with a classical dance performance. Indian classical dance ought to be a part of the school activities, what I personally feel. This art form is not only quintessence of sweetness, beauty and power of our culture, but it is also a prayer and a meditation, attracting divine blessings, happiness and peace of mind. In this regard, I request Miss Preeti onto the dais to present a classical dance sequence and to leave a great vision and spectacle to the audience all here. I request Preeti onto the dais.
मूषिकवाहन मोदक श्रेष्ठ सामन कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहन मोदक श्रेष्ठ सामन कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप विनायक पाद आधार्यं चन्द्रताराधितं नमः सात्विकं शिवं 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 शिवं
Your Honor, plus. The minute expressions, the graceful footwork really stole the hearts of all of us. Being the feast of eyes, during this pandemic event, she has come here to make it this event a grand success. Now I request esteemed principal of the house school, Sri J. Prasad Garu, to proceed further. Thank you, sir.
Respected Regional Officer, Sri K. Parthipan sir, and other dignitaries and my dear staff. A very good morning, all of you. Sir, on behalf of DAV High School, staff and RTPP management, I heartily welcome you, sir. And your arrival have given a lot of enlightenment. It's a great morning for us. It is really, we are very happy to be here. You are being here, sir. Really, thanks a lot for because of in these 3 days you have taken a lot of risk, and this one you accepted my request and you attended here. Really, sir, very young and energetic, sir. Sir have been started in DAV organization as his career. He worked as a PGT in Belgaum Army School, worked as a PGT. Then after, worked as a principal, Army School, Patiala. Then 2001, sir entered in DAV direct as a principal in Himachal Pradesh. He worked for 17 years, continuously 17 years in the same school, and different areas. Sir have been proved himself is a very great. I am not the correct person to explain his success and his achievements. He's a really great man. He's dedicated his life completely for DAV. I can say, come on, give big clap. Sir, really, sir, you are my role model, and we will follow your footprints. We needed lot of encouragement from you and support. Our teachers are very good teachers, sir. They are excellent teachers. Because of teachers only I am standing here. For every success, the teachers are there behind of my every success, sir. I feel that my teachers can be done excellent job in future. Already they have done here. They are very good. And I promise you on behalf of my staff and my school, sir, no doubt that we will be doing work hard and we will be up to your expectations. We can success, sir. And here there is no time actually. I cannot speak more than this. And here, sir arrival, sir message is more important for us. I don't think so, sir. Don't like this all those things, but he has to give more message to you. That I can say is a knowledge like a library. He is like a library, no doubt. Not like a library. He is a library yourself. Because in these 2 days, I was with sir. Really, I shocked by looking. Sir is looking very young, but no, mind is very strong and is elaborated knowledge, vast knowledge sir is having. So that, sir, I request you please address the gathering, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Please, sir.
Namaste to everyone. The host principal and vibrant leader, Sri Prasad ji, Principal Raghuram ji, Principal Kishore ji, all dear my teachers, parents and students, namaste to each and everyone. First, a massive thanks to all of you, especially ladies. You did a lot of wonderful rangoli, so much time. Thank you very much. It was really, when I look at that, it looks like a small festival. For outsiders like me, it looks like a small rangoli. But I know you asked your husband to bring the rangoli powder. Look at the design from a YouTube, Google. You want the principals to be happy. All the students who are coming here should be impressive. So thank you so much for your nice rangoli, all the decoration, the spent, the amount of time you have spent for the inviting me to your school. RTPP always, this is it generates. So on coming here, I also feel that's a kind of generation of the power in me. On seeing you all of the vibrancy, thank you so much for the kind of generation of this one. I feel so happy on this seeing that there was a competition between Lord Shiva and his wife, Shakti. Who is superior, husband or wife? At the end, they come to the conclusion, both are equal, 50-50. This is the first school, RTPP school, which I see that gents and ladies are all the staffs are 50-50. I feel that always, everywhere, gents are always odd man out. But here I found that equally gents are also, number is very good. Dear teachers, beauty is anything singular about it. Beauty is anything singular about it. How we create our own identity. How many years of service I put in is not important. Then how much contribute I, how qualitatively and how much I contribute for the development of the students, the school and the society, our neighborhood. If you look at the history, only very few people are remembered because they create identity by doing something great, unique. So we also should do it. Opportunities are everywhere. You don't have to go some other places. Our students are very good. You are talented. Or the principal is, he is a very vibrant. Yesterday, we happened to have the LMC meeting. Our proposal was to transform the school from, switch over the school from state board to CBSE and then upgradation. So we already put up this. Your honorable chairman also very happy. The principal was, when I just suggested him, he put up this, and then LMC was very supportive. So then we proposed this, please let us make it to upgraders up to 12th standard. Very few schools only in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, only very few schools have only +2. Maximum, that is in DAV we have 45 schools, out of 45, only 3-4 are +2. Rest of them. I joined my service in Belgaum Military School under Defense Ministry as a PGT. From there I became principal in Army School, Patiala. 2001, I joined DAV as a principal. Before I came to DAV, I was principal in Army School. There we have created, I have got a 5-acre land, forest land for 1 rupee. 5-acre land, 1 rupee lease for 100 years. And 65 rooms constructed. I did not get a single penny from management. let us say after 16 years, 17 years service, then I was shifted to DAV School, Safiullah, Hyderabad. Our school strength is 5,200. 5,200, the staff is 300. So when I joined, the school was, UPA was 76, now 86.5, 11%. So we are the first top in whole India. I am not boasting here to just telling you all these things. A can do, B also can do. Only thing is, you have got a good diamond. Students, the atmosphere is very good. The principal is supportive. He joined only 6-7 months back. But the way he becomes restless. Restless is the first sign of success. One has to be vibrant and restless. There was a farmer who wanted to become rich, but he did not know. So he struggled hard, crops failed, rain failed, debts mounting and mounting. He thought of even committing suicide. So at last, one fine morning, a saint passed through this house, asking why you are sad. Farmer said, I am in neck deep debt. So much I have borrowed money from others. My agriculture field failed, rain failed. I couldn't have enough for reaping of this year. So how could I become rich? The Swamiji said, if you get at least this much diamond, you will all your problems be solved. If you get almost some impression of that diamond, you will buy the village. If you get 1 kg means you can buy the whole city. So where I can get the diamond? You can look for. So he left. So next day, the farmer packed everything, set out for in search of diamond to African countries. He traveled 2 years, but he would not find the diamond. Exhausted, came back, heartbroken. Then wife then consoled him, don't worry. Nothing is lost, everything is lost, but nothing still. We have the hope, we are alive. So he just asked her husband, go out, come back just after 2 hours. I will prepare the delicious lunch because you traveled across the globe in search of 2 years, in search of diamond for 2 years. So he went and then washed his now nearby stream. He just washed his hand, legs, and then face, and then there he found small stone, and then brought the stone. It looks very simple, and then put it on the mantle. So he had a food. Next day again, the Swamiji came. Then he asked. He looked at the house. He had a food along with the farmer. He looked at the house. Oh, you got a diamond. No, Swamiji, I did not get the diamond. But there was some small stone, it's glittering. No, I just got it from here only. There was nothing left. Then he handed over that stone to Swamiji. Swamiji examined and found this is a really diamond. Then he said, really diamond? Yes. Then the farmer took the Swamiji to the stream down below the house and then he showed him, there are few diamonds in the rivers, in the stream itself. So then he said, this is a diamond. So he picked up and became a rich, very rich. So dear teachers, our diamonds are not some other places. Our students are diamond. We look for in the diamond of birth. Our students are looking for the diamond in the place of Chaitanya, Narayana, brilliant. This are we. We are diamonds are here. You are the diamonds. You polish them. Your principals are polish them, and you have got opportunity, such an opportunity, and beautiful school. Previously, I was told that the strength of the school is 2,000. I am sure you are going within another 2 years, 2023. same 2000 students I will come and address in my annual day. That is my dream. We will make in India, we see that, but we will make in RTPP schools. You have heard of the Prime Minister, make in India, Digital India. So we will make in RTPP schools. We will bring back the glory to 2000. I think some of the old teachers, all experienced teachers, the school must all completely bubbling with the energy and then vibrancy with the 2000 students running, singing, all these things. And I am sure that in the days to come, I pray to the God with all your hard work, and I am sure that the school will be switched out to CBSE, and then the day is not far off. I am sure that we may go up to +2. So the same reputation what you have in the past, and I am sure that our Prasadji and all of you will bring back the same reputations, because only after 45 schools in whole South, only few schools are only +2 schools. I want these schools to be only higher secondary schools with so much strength. And we look forward, you should come as, your students will become, they will come as a chief guest. Recently, our 2 students, they became IAS officer from our school. In Hyderabad, only 2 IAS officers, that from our school, our DA. So we are going to invite them as a chief guest. You have a lot of potential. You got a lot of potential, lot of diamonds in the name of the students. You have got a gold, diamond, platinum, different shapes, different classes. We are going to make them, polish them. We are going to just bring them, make them gold. We are going to make them diamond. We are going to call them as a chief guest and then make this. And on that day, I will come and just will talk to them. That will be one of the happiest moments for me and all of us. Because, as I said, our identity is our contribution. 1 year, it may be 1 year or 2 years, whatsoever. Our identity is our uniqueness. Our uniqueness comes with the hard work. So as a part of the reformations, so we will be having the academic auditing for all of us. So we will help you. And then training program also, we will take some master trainer from your school. And then you can also come to Hyderabad. We will make all the arrangements. 2-3 days you stay there. You observe the class. Our teachers sometimes they will come back to here. So we will have the inter-school competition among the students, like MU and modern United Nations programs, inter-school quiz, and then many other activities, so that they get exposure. Nobody is inferior. Nobody is born inferior. How much potential that we can use. Thomas Alva Edison's my brain was used only at 5%. Such a genius, the planet has ever produced. Only 5 to 10%. So you also, we can exchange ideas. Nobody is great, nobody is small. Nobody is born fool. We never have we cannot be just bulldozed with the idea of the metro cities and small cities, big cities. You have potential. You have got almost even every small things. You can create innovations. You can experiment new ideas, new concepts in the classrooms. In the days to come, we will look for all of us. The entire DA management will look as they will look at us for the ideas. When you go to Delhi, so everybody will feel proud of you. South, yes, South has a potential. We got a lot of diamonds in South. North does not help. South has diamonds. I thank all the principal sir, all the students who performed here, and thank you so much for such a lovely arrangements and lovely morning today. We'll keep interacting. I request all of you, please, don't wait for the principals or anybody management to give ideas. Academically, you are free. Your jurisdiction is classrooms, your school. Nobody will interfere. I request, I appeal, I just tell you, nobody will interfere. Your sir will not interfere. And you give what is the best ideas, best innovations, experimentation done by you. Please you bring to sir. We will also implement it other places. And what is the best idea, best practices followed in other schools also will be shared with you. So that it is a best practice sharing you will be benefited. And I wish you best of luck. God bless you. Thank you so much again for all the lovely arrangements. And thank you so much for all the children. And I just wish you best of luck. The days to come, we are going to create the kind of history, all of us together. Thank you. God bless you.
Affection in words with the wonderful lines of inspiration. The classical example from mythology, presenting a worthy thought of leading life as other-centric, giving something worthy to the society. The proposal of transforming the school to CBSE and enhancing it to the 12th standard with the zeal of qualitative education. Your contribution to the upliftment of the infrastructure with the wholehearted service to the organization. You won the hearts of all of us, sir, by narrating an inspiring tale to impart your ideology, to fill the hearts and minds of all of us with a great self-confidence. And thank you very much, sir. And now I request our esteemed Principal Sri J. Prasad Garu to honor our esteemed Regional Officer Sri K. Parthipan Garu with the felicitation. Felicitation marks the custom of honoring the worthy and profound for their dedicated services for the noble cause. Here we are really enthralled to felicitate our esteemed Regional Officer to make this event a fantastic memory even to the future. In this regard, it is our pride and privilege to felicitate sir, and felicitating sir itself is honoring our own selves. From the departments are ready. Please accept it, sir. At first, I would like to request Department of Science to please present a floral bouquet on occasion of felicitation.
Department of Science.
Department of Science, please. Followed by Department of Social Studies.
ఆయనని ఎడికి సార్ ఇక్కడికి రండి
Please. Sir, please accept this.
Madam, thank you so much. You have done a good job.
Thank you.
మహారాజా అడిగి రా
Department of Social Studies, please. Followed by Department of Telugu. Followed by Department of English. The Department of Hindi and Mathematics. Department of Telugu, sir.
బ్రో
Department. Article. Followed by Department of Hindi, please. Followed by office staff, please. Please get ready. Then non-teaching staff. All the teachers of UKG and LKG, please come.
Come fast.
First class also. You missed. Sir, please. Please, all of you, please be forward. Followed by non-teaching staff. This act of leaving the white pigeons really mark establishing a peace and success.
Come girls.
Go that side.
Central. Sir, ready?
Two music teachers come here. Music teachers.
Mask.
Now request to be present to plantation.
Thank you so much for all lovely morning.
The increasing need for environmental conservation
I want that when this
has
school
become
will-
prominent in the past.
So your school got a lot of potential because of the strength, the atmosphere, and then the experience combined with the energy. As I said, we have only 5 schools plus 2. This already I have requested him. We have made a task. We set the ball rolling from yesterday onwards. So we will be making the application to the CBSE. Then first we start with 10, then 11, 10, 12, 7. After that, out of the 50 schools in South, you will be the 5th or 6th. Only very good. So the ball will begin now that will be, start will be just already as promised. And all of you request from 86, I want all of you to beat our school. We should come to you, please give us Prasad, please give me, that kind of things, right? And I am sure that, so all the gen staff, please, I thank you so much. I just very happy to see all of you in a white color uniform. And all of you in good, that is completely disciplined. Thank you so much for lovely reception. God bless you. We'll keep interacting with each other.
Okay,
Any other help, everything will be extended. Including your all the 7th pay commission, everything is now been taken care of. All water, any kind of grievances, problem, everything will be sorted out immediately. You don't have to wait. So I'll be coming at least very frequently.
thank you.
So
We are
I'll
very
keep
happy,
with.
sir. We are very happy being as
Your arrival will make
Thank you very
change,
much.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And one more important
Thank
that,
you, sir. Good.
that yesterday that the sir has completed a big task, that 3 LMC meeting at a glance. That one.
Thank you.